Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone Phantom V Flip 5G. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 6.9 inches unfolded LTPO AMOLED Full HD Plus main punch hole display, 120 Hz refresh rate, 1000 nits, peak brightness, 1080 by 2640 pixels resolution, 22:9 aspect ratio, approximately 413 ppi pixel density, and 94.5% screen-to-body ratio, and shot UTG glass protection, 1.32 inches. AMOLED cover screen display, 60 Hz refresh rate, 800 nits, peak brightness, 466 by 466 pixels. Resolution, 352 ppi pixel density, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 13 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel main wide-angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 2K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 13.5 Flip screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 3 GHz single-core Cortex A78, plus 2.6 GHz tri-core Cortex A78, plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset, paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM through memory fusion, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone unfolded measures at 171.72 by 74.1 by 6.95 millimeters, and folded measures at 88.77 by 74.1 by 14.95 millimeters, and it weighs around 194 grams, and the color options: iconic black, mystic dawn, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 4000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes single SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, and stereo speakers with DTS sound support, and a USB Type-C charging port, and NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. TECNO Phantom V Flip 5G expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage. Variant at 214,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Phantom V Flip 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.